Let's hear Connie Ferguson's heartbreaking love note to Shona Ferguson. It has been nearly 2 months since Connie Ferguson lost her husband Shona, and the star recently took to social media to share how much she misses him. The actress took to Instagram to share a fond memory of the times he would visit her on set. "I miss you. I miss your random visits to set. I miss you deliberately trying to annoy me. I miss you crushing on me all the time. I just miss you so much. I love you forever," she wrote. Shona passed away in July from complications related to COVID-19. His death sent shock waves across the nation. The actress and her late husband used to lie on the carpet every Sunday, and Connie has carried on the tradition in his honor. "Today is Carpet Sunday. I miss my person. Every Sunday we just lie on the carpet and talk about everything under the sun or nothing at all. We'd just lie here and be with each other. I miss his physical presence so much, but I feel in spirit he is still with me," she said in an Instagram live. "Since Shona got sick, leading up to his elevation to glory, I just didn't think I could do this on my own. So today it dawned on me that it is a new day, and I bless God for that. I bless God for, I call it, the supernatural strength, because I don't know how I'm able to do this. It can only be God," she recently said in a video on social media.
Yeah.